Hi, it's Angel with Angel's Reborns. I have a package. I have cut it open but haven't opened it yet. I'm excited about this because so far I have enjoyed each item that I have purchased from this particular person. It's from Yarntasia, Jennifer Rice. And she makes the cutest 3D printed creatures. So this will be my third set of 3D creatures that I've bought from her. So I'm really excited to see these. The little high chews, which Anna loves. Yeah, she will steal them, I'm sure. And let's see, look at the cute little bunny. Oh my gosh, so totally adorable. He's got his little cotton tail. Oh, too cute. And then there's the tiny bunny. With a little tail. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Oh, they're absolutely perfect for Easter. Too cute. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. I love them. They're so precious. Look at that. Oh, adorable. Yes, indeed. Absolutely adorable. Oh, thank you, Jennifer. They're cute as I can be. This is Angel with Angel's Reborns and More.